If your halo is kind of bunching up on the side and sticking out, I have a fix for you. So it's probably because you have it adjusted on a tighter loop, and depending on how small your head is and where it sits on your head, it can cause the halo to bunch up on the sides. So the solution's actually really simple. You're gonna just take the wire out and then cut the wire, shorten it, and then retie it on there. I'm showing you a side by side of the one that came with mine and then the one that I cut, and put that one back in. I like having mine on the loosest one. And then look at how there's no buckling at all. And then I'll just pop it on so you can see how much smoother it is. When I first got my halo, I hated it because of this issue, but it turns out I just have a smaller head, and look at it, it's so much better, way more comfortable, and you can't see it at all. So hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. Bye.